In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Solo Leveling Arise on Android. To get started with the video, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Google Play Store on your device. Now go ahead and sign into your account and click on the search button. Now in here, go ahead and click on the search field to be able to enter the Solo Leveling phrase in this section. So just go ahead and enter Solo Leveling Arise and hit on the search icon to be able to search this game on Google Play Store. Now on the results page, just go ahead and click on the Solo Leveling Arise game, and here go ahead and click on the install button to proceed on installing the application on your Android device. Solo Leveling Arise is an action RPG game based on the popular webtoon Solo Leveling. In the game, you play as Jin-Woo, the main character, and experience his journey from being the weakest hunter to becoming the world's strongest hunter. Now take note that the game MB is large and can take up a huge amount of your storage space, so make sure that you're downloading the application on a mobile device with a huge amount of storage space. Now once you have the app installed on your device, just go ahead and open the app on your device to check if it is installed without any issues. So once you open the app on your device, you'll get redirected into the welcome section of Solo Leveling Arise. So this is more of an introductory video once you open the platform, and after this introductory video, you'll need to confirm if you want to turn on or off your notifications for this app on your device. And that's how you can simply download Solo Leveling Arise on Android. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.